In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to Kit.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clear, clickable PDF download link inside a reusable email template, perfect for sharing lead magnets, checklists, or guides with your audience. Start by opening your Kit dashboard and heading to the new broadcast area. This is where you manage messages you plan to send, and it's an easy starting point for building out your email content. Once you're on that screen, click Send. That takes you into the messaging tools that power your broadcasts. Next, open email templates. Templates let you design once and reuse the layout anytime, which keeps your branding consistent and saves you from rebuilding emails from scratch. Click New Email Template to create a fresh one. If you already have a house style, you can mirror it here so your download emails look and feel the same every time. You'll see a gallery of layouts. Choose a template that keeps things clean and readable. A simple single column design often works best for a download link because it draws attention and looks great on mobile. After you select a design, the editor opens. Click into the spot where you want your download to appear and type the text you want people to click. For clarity, many creators use PDF download link, but you can write something more descriptive like download the PDF guide. Make it scannable and obvious so readers immediately know what the link does. Highlight the text you just typed to select it. With the text selected, click the link icon in the editor toolbar. It usually looks like a small chain link and tells the editor you want to turn the selected words into a hyperlink. Before you paste anything, make sure your PDF lives online. A simple option is Google Drive. Upload your PDF there, copy the shareable link, and set the file permissions so anyone with the link can view. This prevents subscribers from running into a sign-in request. Also ensure the link starts with HTTPS for a secure connection. Paste the Google Drive link into the URL field in the editor. Double-check there are no extra spaces and confirm the link points to the correct file, especially if you manage multiple versions. Finally, click Apply. Your selected text is now a clickable PDF download inside the template. Consider styling it so it stands out, use a contrasting color or bold text, and add a short line above it that explains what the PDF contains. With that, your template is ready to reuse whenever you want to share this PDF with your audience.